how to manifest anything you want. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice, and on this channel I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you want to hear all things manifestation, law of attraction, personal development, and more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you want to. In today's video, we are talking about how to manifest, and I'm going to give you all the steps to manifest your amazing dreams. If you're ready to learn how to manifest, go ahead and hit that like button so I know you're ready. Manifesting is the action of creating anything you desire and creating it into your reality. The things you don't see today, you have the power to manifest them into your reality. That means into your world. So if you want a dream house, you want a dream car, you want a beautiful relationship, you have the power to create that through manifestation. So let's get into this video so I can give you the exact steps to manifest your desires. Number 1, decide what you want. Write down your dreams. What do you want in life? Do you want a dream home? Do you want a dream car? Do you want to have a relationship, a long-lasting relationship? What is it exactly that you desire to have in your life? Number 2, feel the energy of your desire. So this means act as if you already have your desire. So if you want this dream car, you want a Range Rover or whatever car it is, you start feeling the feelings of already having that dream car. Whatever you desire, get into that feeling. Act as if you already have it. Number 3, visualize your desires. Whatever you desire, take a moment to really visualize it through meditation. What I like to do, I put on instrumental music and I just sit for 1 minute at least, and just sit 1 minute and visualize my desire. Whether that be have a good conversation with someone I'm about to have a meeting with, or it can be visualizing my dream home one day. I take a moment and visualize it. I suggest doing this every single day, at least 1 minute out of your day to just visualize and hone in on those feelings of your desires. Number 4, realize your limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs is a representation of doubt. Do you find yourself visualizing something that you desire and still feeling like you can't have it, or you're not worthy of having it, or that it'll never come in your reality? You have to release these limiting beliefs because they are blockages to your desires. So when you realize you have these limited beliefs, take a moment and just breathe. Make sure that you are just breathing, because I know a lot of times we can beat ourselves up and say, oh my God, why can't I just visualize what I want? We're all human and we all deal with doubt. But realizing it is a huge step in the manifestation process. Realize that limited belief and then heal yourself through it by meditating, by visualizing something more easy for you. Maybe it's getting a free coffee, or maybe it's finding a penny on the ground. Visualize something that seems super minuscule and easy, and then you'll develop these manifesting skills and get better and better at it as you see little things manifest in your reality. Number 5, believe in your ability to manifest. Start creating affirmations for yourself that give you more confidence in your manifestation process. Start saying, I am a powerful creator. I call you guys this every single time I open the video. I'm a powerful creator. I can create anything I desire and want. Things come to me easily. When I focus on something, it manifests into my reality. Start creating affirmations that bring that belief of manifestation ability into your life. Number 6, take inspired action. Inspired action is pretty cool to me because it is a confirmation that you know your inner voice and you know the positive and negative inner voices that you have within you. For an example, you really want to buy a home one day. You may not have the finances today, but you really desire to have a home one day. And you have a friend who calls you up on a Sunday afternoon and says, let's go open housing, let's go look at some homes. And you go because you have this inspired action to go. You meet an amazing realtor who's going to help you achieve those dreams of having your dream home, anything like that. That is inspired action. The inner voice is going to tell you when the inspired action is connected to your desires and your manifestation. So you have to really hone in on those inner voices to know when to take inspired action and when to not. This all comes down to meditating and visualizing. That's going to really develop your inner voice. And the very last one is number 7, detach and allow the process to unfold. Detaching from your desire can be very difficult because when we desire something, we want to hold on to it so much. We want it so badly. We want it right now, and it's hard to detach. It's hard to let go and allow the universe to do its work. But this is the key to seeing your manifestation come into your reality. So you have to detach and just allow the universe to unfold in amazing ways and allow your manifestation to come to your life in the way it's supposed to. Because I've seen in my life when I was holding on to my desire, it never worked out. But as soon as I let go, it came to me in the most amazing ways, better than I could have ever imagined. So you have to detach and just let go, be free, and be at peace knowing your desire is on its way to you. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to manifest your desires into your reality. These 7 steps combined are all crucial in manifesting whatever you desire. So do not skip a step. Go through all 7 and see your manifestation unfold and be right in the palm of your hands. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and comment something you've manifested in your life. I would love to hear those stories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to check out my Instagram for daily affirmations so you're encouraged every single day of the week. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day. I'm praying for you. Love you.